Hi, I'm Cathy O'Shia with New Age Industrial. Today I'd like to talk to you about maximizing your walk-in storage. When you lay out a walk-in cooler for storage, there are important things that you need to remember. What is the height of the cooler? What do you want to put in there? What is your weight bearing on the items that you're putting in the cooler? Be aware of fans and structures in the building that you have to work around. You also need to be aware of your corner spacing. You need to allow spacing for aisles so that your employees or the beer vendor or whoever it is that's getting in and out of that cooler can get in and out and move the product on and off of the shelves. So those are just a few of the things that you need to think about when you're trying to create storage in a walk-in cooler. At New Age, we have several types of shelving. We have our cantilevered shelving, which is adjustable. The great thing about this style of shelving is that there's no post in the front, so it'll give you about 30% more storage. This is ideal for schools because they get FDA produce, which is different heights, so it gives you some flexibility. We have the heavy-duty shelf on the bottom, the T-bar, and solid, so it gives you lots of options depending on the type of product that you're storing on the shelves. Over here we have our adjustable shelving. This again has the heavy duty, the T-bar, and then the solid shelf on the top. This gives you more flexibility. You can put the heavy boxes on the bottom, the smaller boxes, or the Cambro containers, or the food boxes in here, and they slide front to back. On the top you put all the lightweight. You can put miscellaneous small jars, containers, etc. in there. We also have keg shelving for walk-in storage. You may be creating a beer cooler, a beer cave, something like that. So we also have that. That comes in lots of different sizes and depths. Lastly, I want to remind you that we also have security fence. This can be placed inside any walk-in cooler to create a secure area. If you want to store your meat, liquor, high-end produce, anything like that, you can create a secure area inside the walk-in cooler. Like all of our products, we can create custom items for you. It's easy to customize any of the things we've talked about. We can customize shelving for you for your walk-in cooler. If you'd like to reach out to us, you can email us at sales@newageindustrial.com for a custom quote, or check us out online at newageindustrial.com.